Hey there! Today we're going to create realistic camera glitches, often seen in horror movies. Let's start by adding a camera viewfinder effect to simulate the camera view. Head to Overlays and look for the camera viewfinder collection. Right here. Pick the item that best fits your scene. I'm going to import the viewfinder camera item. Great. Now it's time to add camera glitches. Navigate to Transitions and select the Camera Errors collection. Here I'll choose the bad signal item, but feel free to pick any that you like. Next, let's place this transition over our first clip. If the transition is too long, let's shorten it by clicking on this icon. You can set the stretch to 50% or adjust it to any value you prefer. Remember, you're in full control of your glitch. Feel free to add RGB lines or adjust any setting as needed. Now scroll down to Related Collections. Find and choose the Old TV Glitches collection. These glitches are recorded with a real camera to add more realism, so it's a perfect fit for our scene. This glitch looks great, let's import that. These glitches are most effective when cut to 5 to 10 frames and used without any blending mode. Use the shortcut command or Alt plus left or right bracket to cut the in and out points. For our project, we'll add this glitch in combination with our bad signal effect right at the end. Let's preview our first scene, which currently has 2 glitches stacked on top of each other. Looking great. Duplicate this glitch and create a slight variation by offsetting the composition. You can do that by using the anchor point tool. Now, with anchor point tool active, drag the layer to the left or right. As you can see, the final output looks great already, but to make it more authentic, let's add Nightvision to create a creepy vibe. Go to Overlays and find the Nighttime Color Grades collection. Right here. Import the Nightvision effect. And place it below all other effects. And there you have it. Remember, the key is to play around and find what works best for your specific scene. Experiment, explore, and remember, if there's something you need, we're just a message away. Happy creating.